Ramona, where's your friend? Oh, she's in your toilet. She's really in your toilet. You do not like when she does that. Go get her. Oh, jeez. Our place is a disaster. Oh, there goes Cat. Where's your friend? Oh. Twinkie. Mentally retarded. Pen, that's not your toilet. Whichever one you are, that is not for you to take your dumps in. Hey, get out of there. Stop. Oh. Why do you have to make the biggest mess ever at all times? What's she doing? You don't like her in your toilet, do you? Now you're in Ramona's food.